Now let's look at how we would use the multiplication chart to solve a long division problem. When we are solving long division, there are 5 steps that we will follow through the entire problem. And those steps will just be repeated multiple times until the problem is complete. So let's look at and do a quick review of long division using a chart. So if I'm dividing by, or my divisor is 2, I'm going to look at the 2 column. The first digit in my long division problem is a 6. 68 divided by 2. So I'm first going to think 6 divided by 2. That is the first step, D for divide. So I'm going to think 2 divides into 6 how many times? If I'm not sure 2 times what is close to 6 without being bigger than 6, I'm going to look down my 2 column and I see 6 exactly. 6 is my target number because that's what I'm dividing into. 2 times what is close to 6? 3. So that 3 will get recorded directly above the 6 because that's what I'm dividing into. Then I'm going to multiply after I divide to see how much of the number I'm dividing gets used. So for example, 2 divides into 6 3 times. 3 times 2 is exactly 6. So I'm going to write that down directly under the 6. Subtract is my next step. 6 minus 6 is 0. I have nothing left over. Now I'm going to bring down the 8. So my next step is B, bring down. So I'm going to bring the 8 straight down. 2 divides into 8. So now I'm going to R, repeat. So I'm going to go all the way back up to the top to divide, and I'm going to repeat. 2 divides into 8. So again, I will look down the 2's column, my new target number, the number being divided, in this case is 8. I find 8 exactly. 2 times what is 8? 4. So 2 divided into 8 is 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. So I have divided. 2 divided into 8 gives me 4. I'm going to multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. Now I'm going to subtract to find out what's left over. 8 minus 8 is 0. I have nothing left over. Also, my next step would be bring down, but I can see that I have nothing next to the 8 left to bring down. So I'm actually finished with the problem. I have 0 left over, so I have no remainder. So my quotient, or my final answer for 68 divided by 2, is 34.